This is a summary of the food studies topic, health and energy, energy from our food. This is from ORCA Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key content from this course topic. Here are some sensible eating ideas. Follow these tips for healthy eating. Eat regular meals, choose high-quality snacks, avoid sugary drinks, and never diet without medical advice. Where does your energy come from? Energy is converted from the sun through photosynthesis in plants and then used by animals through oxidation of carbohydrates, protein, and fats. So your energy is from the food you eat, ultimately from the sun, but with help from the planet. Energy is needed for warmth, body functions, growth, and movement. Energy is vital for maintaining body functions, supporting growth, repairing tissues, and enabling active movement. Energy can be measured in joules or calories. Food is measured in large calories or food calories, where 1 calorie equals 4.184 kilojoules. Maintaining an energy balance and healthy body weight requires understanding basal metabolic rate, BMR, and physical activity level, PAL, to determine energy needs. Your physical activity level, or PAL, is determined by your level of physical activity, ranging from extremely inactive to extremely active. Your basal metabolic rate, BMR, accounts for 65 to 75% of the calories you burn each day and can be calculated using equations based on height, weight, age, and sex. To calculate your daily calorie intake, multiply your BMR by your PAL. Online calculators can help, but there are specific equations for men and women.